Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram music. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just open up your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Instagram, and now tap on the Instagram app once again and then check to see if there is an update button instead of this open button, and if it's not updated to the latest version, then I recommend you to update it to the latest version, because the latest version contains bug fixes and performance improvements shown right here, right? And once you have done that, open up your Instagram and simply try once again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, the next thing what you can do is just open up your settings app and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage, and once this loads, scroll down and tap on Instagram app, and now simply tap on upload app option and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the Instagram app, clearing all bugs and caches which might be causing you to face the problem. And once the process is done, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once the process is complete, all you gotta do now is try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.